Para mí es importante proteger el medio ambiente porque es el único lugar donde vivimos, o sea, es nuestro planeta y no existe otro planeta donde nosotros digamos ya destruimos este planeta y a dónde nos vamos. Mi nombre es Alessandra y soy cirujano dentista. Yo reflejo en mi cotidianidad ser una consumidora consciente, partió por algo de mí. Empecé a investigar qué productos yo podría consumir que ayudaran a no afectar el medio ambiente. Productos creados por naturaleza, fuera más biodegradable para ayudar al medio ambiente.
My name is Hans-Henning Wenck. I'm a chemist by education with 20 years of experience in the chemical industry and a passion for sustainable innovation. Surfactants are substances like soaps, which make water foam and clean surfaces. They consist of one part which sticks to fat and another part which sticks to water. They do the magic of cleaning hair, skin, clothes and dishes. Typically, surfactants have a detrimental effect on aquatic life. Biosurfactants are a specific type of surfactants. They are made in a fermentation process. It's a little bit similar to brewing beer, where we use yeast to convert sugars to alcohol. We grow microorganisms like bacteria under industrial and controlled conditions. We feed them sugars, we give them air and nutrients, and they produce biosurfactants from the feedstocks we give them. The biosurfactants have a very, very low impact on aquatic life.
Cuando investigué encontré los biosurfactantes. Es algo que no está afectando directamente al medio ambiente. A mí en lo personal me gusta mucho el mundo acuático, de hecho hago buceo. Es hermoso estar debajo del mar y es algo importante proteger el mundo acuático. El océano es lo que nos representa.
Rhinolipids are a specific type of biosurfactants. Rhinolipids have very special properties. On the one hand, they have very nice foaming and cleaning properties, very high performance. But on the other hand, they are very mild to the skin and have an exceptional environmental compatibility. They are biodegradable. They are made from 100% renewable resources.
I'm Debbie Anderson, and I'm the Global Product Line Head for Cleaning Solutions at Evonik. Evonik has developed techniques to optimize the fermentation process to mimic nature, but produce rhinolipids in a more concentrated form and with better quality. Most surfactants are chemicals produced from fossil fuels. Biosurfactants are produced from renewable bio-based materials such as sugar or canola oil. We spent many years in the labs perfecting the technology. We're now at the stage where we're ready to really increase the production and introduce rhinolipids on a larger scale.
Utilizing living organisms gives us a much broader access to more sustainable feedstocks and safer processes. This is a huge driver for innovation, really at the heart of industrial biotechnology.
The change is certainly underway, and Evonik is committed to help drive that change.
Creo que con mi granito de arena puedo ayudar a proteger el medio ambiente y la invitación es también a que más gente se sume y que aporte con su granito de arena para poder proteger el planeta que vivimos.